So summers are here, and in summers we have a lot of misconception around consumption of curd, that is dahi. Uh, our parents, all the elders, they keep advising that consume dahi daily. It will cool down your stomach, and if you're having any of the digestive issue because of the heat, dahi will help you. Have dahi daily, and even the ready-made dahis are very easily available in the market with a shelf life of, I don't know, maybe a week, which is very, I cannot understand how do they manage it without adding preservatives as they mention in their packs. So, this is a very big misconception we have in our country that dahi is the one stop solution for all our digestive issues in the summers. Actually, the curd is a very hot substance by its uh, nature. It is full of enzymes and helps to boost up the digestion. Uh, because of its uh, because of the richness of the bacteria present in it, and also dahi is a reason behind having sore throat, cold, pharyngitis like features, not because it is cold but because it is abhishandi. So how do we understand what is abhishandi? So we can understand it like the particulate matter in dahi is very dense. Dahi is used as a thickener in the gravies these days, something which adds to the thickness of the curry. So this thick particulate matter is what will block the channels. So if you are eating dahi and it might get stuck around your throat and cause very microscopic blockage over there, and if you are already having some other issue which can probably cause cold, then it would be aggravated, and within an overnight maybe you will be uh, down with fever, cold, sore throat, running nose, and all that things. Even though he can aggravate the pain in the patients of rheumatoid arthritis um, because of its abhishandi nature. So dahi is not very beneficial to most of the people of this country who have a very sedentary kind of lifestyle and low digestive fire, which is very common these days because we are not working on the fields. So that our digestive fire can be very good, that it can actually utilize dahi to its potential. So the better alternative which has been given in our samhitas is takra, which is known as tak, chach, mattha in various parts of the country. And this mattha is absolutely not that mattha which comes in the ready-made form of mattha which comes in the packets. So instead of buying dahi, you start buying that mattha. So that is not the solution, because even mattha will not, freshly prepared mattha won't have a shelf life of 7 days. It will become sour within a day in this climate. So when we make mattha for the summers, uh, the point to be noted is that the dahi should be freshly made in the night. You uh, put you put it up for uh, the making in the night itself, and without keeping the hay in the refrigerator, you have to make mattha out of it by adding 4 to 5 times water and then doing the manthan process. So how is mattha different from the dahi? Because you're adding water, so the heatness which it brings to our body, it gets reduced to the amount which is just sufficient to help in the digestive process. And also, when you are doing the manthan karm, like mattha kaise banate hain, you have to the traditional way of making mattha is you have to use mandira as we call it, and then you have to just use both your hands and rub against that mandira, and so that the particulate size is very much reduced. It becomes very fine. So the Abhishandi Dharmita is lost and the coolness is added. And how do we check what is the final The matha is ready. So the taste of matha should be swadu amla tuvaram rasi. It should be a little bit sweet, a little bit sour, and in the end it should be kashaya ras, which is bitter in taste. So that is the quality check of matha, and you should not consume a dahi or make matha out of it when it is only sweet. This means that the dahi is still not made. A little bit of sourness is a mandate, and you should not consume dahi in the night. You should not consume dahi if at all you are consuming dahi, and you cannot do without it, or maybe it is indicated in your ailment. Then you should not